Howdy campers, welcome back to another product review. Today we're looking at the Etenwolf Air 3 air pump. Got a nice little box, huh? For a cheap little pump. I never paid attention to these micro pumps until I saw a video of someone using it to deflate their camp bed or something, air mattress, I don't know what it was. And I thought, there's a use for these. So saw one on sale on Amazon and I had to have it. Comes with a owner's manual, or user's manual. There's what's in the box. I did open it and take it out so I could charge it, so I didn't record myself. There's the actual pump. There's a outlet and an inlet, or an inlet outlet, whatever. And there's a light. It's very bright. Anyway, I had to charge it because otherwise this video would have been 5 seconds of me just opening the box. Comes with a nice little pouch. And here's a stack of nozzles. Let me see here. We got this size and this size and this size. That one's squishy, squishy, squishy. We got one of these here and this one. So there's a good assortment of nozzles, so it should fit whatever you're trying to schnozzle. And there's also a power cord. I should have pulled this out first so I didn't have to go hunting something that would fit. So I had to read the manual because it wouldn't come on for me. And you have to push and hold the button for a couple seconds. This bottom one's the USB port. Anyway, you have to hold it for a couple seconds. And then, look how bright. That's bright, huh? And then he entered the camp. And he had no arm. Ah! Oh, I blinded myself. So there's that. And you see the lights on, so let's push and hold. Oh, push and hold. Push and hold. Okay, it's loud. As you can see, blowing my hair. It's not a real efficient hair dryer, but it does the job. And I mean, as cheap as it was and as tiny as it is, let's see this. There, it locks on like that. Or they lock on at the bottom. Let's say I'll get my money's worth out of this. And if you need to hang it somewhere, it's got that. So yeah, I'm pleased with my purchase. Put all the nozzles back together. Yeah, it's I don't need to. Most of my sleeping pads are self-inflating, and those that aren't take like 3 or 4 puffs. But especially my larger super comfy self-inflating pads from Cuomo Top, they're a pain in the butt to deflate and roll up. You got to jump up and down on them and give them the elbow drop and kick them a few times to get all the air out. And I figure for the, why isn't that button turning off now? Oh, that's right, I gotta push and hold 2 seconds. The same as turning it on. There we go. I think I got it for like $12, which is, usually these run about $20. Just the time and effort it will save me deflating my air mattress. I think this is going to be worth it. So there it is. Yeah, thumbs up so far, except for the buttons push. It's actually a good thing that, because you don't want to act. Flashlights, you know, things like that, you're always hitting the buttons and it comes on and runs down your battery and it's a pain in the butt. So I respect the fact that you got to push and hold the button for 2 seconds, although it seems like 30 to turn it on and off. But it's a pain. But I'd rather have it than not have that feature. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, constructive comments. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!